Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a requested video, that is how to grow your eyelashes with simple home remedy and obviously effective. So you can see my eyelashes are not so thick and not so thin. I have good growth. Okay, so let's begin with the recipe. You need some castor oil. I'm taking here 1 spoon castor oil. Next I'm adding 1 spoon aloe vera gel. You can also use fresh aloe vera gel. Fresh one is the best option, as I don't have, that's why I'm using processed one. Next I'm using little bit Vaseline because it has thick consistency, that's why I'm using in little quantity. Next I'm adding 1 vitamin E capsule, and now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients well. And here is my gel is ready for longer eyelashes. You can apply this on your eyebrows also, and even to treat your dark circles, as it has vitamin E which naturally treat dark circles and also help in hair growth. I'm gonna show you by applying this in two methods. First one using mascara brush and second with the help of finger. So I'm gonna take this on my mascara brush and apply this directly on my eyelashes. You can also apply this on your eyebrows and even to your dark circles too. So you need this in very least quantity, like 1 drop is enough for one side including your dark circles, because this blend very easily smoothly. Apply this gel on your eyelashes, on your eyebrows and dark circles regularly at bedtime after your face wash, and next morning it will get absorbed by the skin. So do this regularly at least for a month, and in a month you will get to see result. So I hope this would be helpful for you. Let's meet in my next video. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye. Have a very nice day. Don't forget to leave your request in comment section. Bye.